Hello, Glenn. Hello, Lou. This has been such a troubling story to cover from a reporter's perspective. I remember when I was there for the first arraignment of Gabriel Fernandez's parents who have since been found guilty of murdering that 8-year-old boy from Palmdale. Now, that happened more than 8 years ago. And today, the 4 social workers who were charges were brought upon, those charges were finally dismissed against them. Now, again, to give you context of this story, as I mentioned, Gabriel Fernandez was that young boy from Palmdale who was repeatedly tortured by his parents. That happened some 7 years ago. 3 years after his death, the county district attorney brought charges against the 4 social workers who presided over this case, saying that they falsified records. Now, today, charges were officially dropped against Stephanie Rodriguez, Patricia Clement, as well as their respective supervisors at the Division of Child and Family Services, including Kevin Baum and Gregory Merritt. Now, this case has gone back and forth in the court system for some time. Initially, Judge Lamelli, who heard the case, refused to dismiss the charges. That then went to a California appeals court. The appeals court said that those charges would be dismissed. And again, this was a court formality today. It was sort of a foregone conclusion that these charges would be dismissed. The attorney today for those 4 social workers spoke out.
Our clients, and Mr. Baum in particular, are very grateful for the court's ruling that the case was dismissed and that they were declared factually innocent. Thank you so much. We have no further statements at this time.
Within the last hour, we received this statement, and it says, quote, "We respect the court's decision. Over the years, the Los Angeles County Department of Children and Family Services has taken significant steps to mitigate risk and improve our capacity countywide in order to best serve vulnerable children and their families. And as a department, we remain committed to ensuring that reform continues." However, as you can imagine, this is not welcome news to the family of Gabriel Fernandez, as well as their attorney, Brian Claypool. We were able to speak to him earlier. Here's just some of what he said.
The California Appellate Court decided that social workers have immunity from criminal prosecution. That is a catastrophic decision. It's one of the worst decisions I've ever seen in my life. The district attorney had an option to appeal that case to the California Supreme Court and ultimately to the U.S. Supreme Court. If Jackie Lacey has decided not to appeal that decision, then that is a colossal disaster. And we definitely need more training of social workers throughout Los Angeles County.
Again, that was the attorney for the family of Gabriel Fernandez. We'll have much more on this developing story, but for right now, that is the very latest here from downtown Los Angeles outside of Superior Court. I'm Wendy Burch, and I'll send it back to you.